guys, I'm here at the new Walt Disney World store. No, it's not an outlet. It's just a regular store with regular stuff from Disney. It's just you don't have the hassles of the Disney bubble. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. So we're gonna go check this out and see what it looks like inside, okay? Let's go. Very, very pretty photo op right here. Almost feels like you're at the park. I asked Donna if she wanted to go get her picture taken there, but she didn't want to. She's no fun. All right, let's go check out this Disney store. Where's Donna going? Where are you going? Oh, there's another photo op over here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Now you can be at Epcot, too. You can be at Magic Kingdom and Epcot.
Yeah.
Just by coming here. There's a room down at the end of the place where you can go for Vacation Club members. Here's the QR code, just in case you want to scan it. I'll leave it sit there for a second. But it looks like you get some photo gallery pictures. You get some information on it. And pretty much the whole store is what you can get at World of Disney, just marked down like 1/100%. Not as much stuff here, but there's a lot of 50th items stuff here. So this is for people who are in the area and they don't get to Disney Springs, but they want to shop some Disney. You have the Disney here. So, and you should still be able to get the pass holder discount here at this location too. Just in case you forgot your stroller, you can always pick up a stroller, a Minnie or a Mickey. But they do have some kitchen items, some coffee mugs, coffee, and some candy too. You can get some popcorn candy or popcorn confetti, cheese popcorn, caramel popcorn, kettle, and cookies and cream. How interesting. But then there's the other candy too. So the music's pretty loud in the store, so there's some parts I'm not going to be able to block out. But the store is just, like I said, just a little mini tiny World of Disney. It has a little bit of something for everyone in here. But it's very pretty. Oh, Frozen. Here's the Disney figurines, the 50th. No price on it, so I'm not sure what that goes for. But look at the chip clip. And it's magnetic too. I like it, but it feels a little like it could break easy. That's the only thing I don't like now. Look at this adorable little shirt. Now that I like, if they had it in my size. So it's a cute little addition to Disney to have an area, have this somewhere else besides in the Disney bubble. It kind of expands the bubble out to iDrive. Okay, so on iDrive here where BJ's is at, you got Chewy's, the Mexican restaurant, the Orlando Eye, and then there's the Mango Cafe over there. But this is where you find the Walt Disney World store with the photo ops, and along the side is the ribbon with the video ribbon on the side. But it's right next to Muyas. Am I saying that right? Muyas? So if you're staying anywhere on iDrive, it's within a walking distance to you to walk down here. If you want to buy any park tickets, gift cards, if you want to inquire about Disney Vacation Club, you can do all that at this location instead of having to go to the madness of the Disney bubble. So it's smart that Disney did this. It's very smart thinking. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little extra Disney on iDrive, you know, just so you can always have that Disney feel. Alright guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye. Oh, don't forget, comment down below if you like the store location, and then also make sure you're subscribed too, okay? Alright guys, love you. Bye.